Hi, my name's Steve Katsandris, and welcome to Restaurant Kitchen Basics. Congratulations, and thank you for downloading our complimentary egg, technique, and cooking course. In these courses, we will be teaching the essential restaurant kitchen basics, exactly how my business partner Eric Martinson and I have been doing it for over 42 years. This is your first step in learning the best restaurant techniques with absolute confidence. From flipping eggs like a restaurant chef, to cracking them one-handed, cooking and rolling a perfect omelet shell, making the perfect egg scramble, and how to season properly. Our courses will grow your confidence to become a champion wherever your cooking takes you. Download and follow the guides, review the videos, and most importantly, practice, and you will master everything in this program. Be sure to stay tuned for our next training courses coming soon. We look forward to your success.